Oh yeah, what's up guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay. For today, I want to make some breakdown of some worship solo, okay? And how you can solo over some worship songs, Nigerian worship songs, okay? If this is the first time you're watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Then turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, okay? And I want to shout a very big thanks to all my new subscribers and old subscribers, okay? My returning viewers, I appreciate you guys, okay? You guys have made me proud, okay, of my works. So I'm going to do the lesson, this song, Nathaniel Bassey, or The Champion, okay, by Nathaniel Bassey. I want to do some solo breakdown, some solos over the song, so that you understand how to solo over your worship songs and apply some major pentatonics, okay? I believe you heard what I just played. So, in some critical worship songs like that, you need to play up with the lead singer. Okay, you need to play up with the lead singer, like playing along with him, playing on the high pitch and on the low pitch of the song, and you must make sure that you don't try to overplay. Okay, whenever it's going up, you try and play up with him. Whenever it's coming down, you play down with him. Okay, so one of the things I would like to show you is at first make sure you know the key of the song. Okay, make sure you know the key of the song. Like the key of that song was in the key of G sharp. Okay, this is a G sharp. Okay, that is the key of G sharp, and this is the key of C sharp again on the third string. Yeah. That is the key of G sharp. Okay, so at first know your key. Okay, and secondly, one of the things you need to start learning is how to, like I played, like I showed you in my previous video, some pullover and how to learn how to play pullovers. Okay, stuff like that. Some harmons. Okay, some harmon on the notes. Okay, things like that. How to harmon on your notes and to bring melodies. Okay. Okay, so you need to start working on stuff like that. Maybe you start practicing something like you can use something like mi re do mi re do. Okay, you can practice in all the strings. Okay. All the strings you can practice. This is one of the things that are going to help you, okay, to have a good solo over worship songs, okay. And secondly, I'm playing the key of G, and I'm playing this pattern here, this G pattern here. Okay. Then after playing this G pattern here, I play the G pentatonic scale. Okay. Okay. Okay, I play the G pattern here. Okay, the song progression. Another thing is the number 3 things you need to know is the song progression. Okay, the song progression is a 1. You reign and that's so go to your 5. So 1. Okay, I come before. The song in love. Yeah, your 6 chord. Okay. The one you do so. Okay. Talk like the reason. Your song. Your 5 chord. Your 6. Okay, which your la. The one you do 1 again. Is life for me. The champion of 1 note. The 4 notes. There's nothing on my destiny. Go to your 5 chord now, which is the song. When you alone, you go to your 6 chord. La. Go to your 4 chord now. You reign do okay, so stuff like that you need to make practice. So the most important thing is at least you need to know your progression at first. You understand? You need to know your progression. This is one of the things that will help you. Like what I'm playing there now. That come before. That's good. Understand? That's going to your song. Okay? So what I'm playing there is now play something like okay. Salado, salado, do, re, mi, sa, mi, re, okay, all those lot. Okay, I start the song like this. I come before. Understand now? I'm trying to, put some melody and harmony to what I'm playing. Okay. Okay. So mi sol re mi. Okay, that was the same thing I played here. Okay. Okay. So understand all those stuff. So at least at first you need to follow the song. Okay, you need to try and pronounce the note of the songs and follow the song so that you know how to solo over it. Okay, you don't need to solo everything up and down. Okay, all the basic thing is just to know the notes of the songs. Okay, then and you know the progressions how the song is going. Okay, most important. Then you learn how to play your slot. Okay, all those stuff, all those harmonizing tones. Okay. Okay, all those tones. Okay. Okay. Okay, to the ready song. Okay, when you start learning all those stuff like that, it will help you in your soloing aspect. So I think I've tried to make some applications of some licks I played. Okay, I played something like that. Okay. All those stuff. So I made some licks over some days ago. So if you can go and watch those licks, okay, on my profile, you will see them on my page. Sorry, you will see them. Okay, so you start learning those licks so that you can apply them in your playing. Okay, so I believe this video might help you in one way or the other. I believe it really helps. Okay, and it will help you and enhance your playing skill as well. So I will suggest or recommend you, if you have any challenges over this video, you can drop it on the comment section. Okay, I will really appreciate that. Okay, so guys, for now I want to say thanks for watching and subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video. If you like this video, you can smash the like button. I will really appreciate that. Okay, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.